Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover after suit a notification in TestNG. So let's get started. Okay, directly we will move to the code. So here we have in module 1 two methods to test, we can say. Module 2 after suit we have, and one test we have. And here see, in module 1 we have a class, and module 2 a class, module 2. Now we will execute. So test 1, test 2, test 3, and last method. So see, module 1 will execute first. So module test 1, then test 2, then test 3, and this last, because at the end of after suit. Okay, 1 2 3. So like this, after notification, after suit notification works. So if you have any question related to do it, please do comment. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please do like my video, do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.